Good morning, students. My name is Miss Manisha Borkar, Department of Fishery Science, NES Science College, Nanded. Now, today we are going to start the theory paper second. The name of paper is the type study of Valagotu. It is commonly called as a freshwater shark. Now, in previous lecture, we are start the unit number 3rd. In unit number 3rd, we are seeing the blood circulatory system. In that, we are seeing that the structure of the heart, then arterial and the venous system. And today's we are going to start here the unit number 3rd. The topic is composition of blood, okay, which is related to the blood circulatory system. Here's seen what is the blood, okay. Here's the blood forms about 2 to 3% of the body weight of fish. It is in the form of watery fluid or a plasma having blood cells, that is proteins, albumin, globulin, fibrogen, salts, enzymes, antibodies, then hormones and other special secretions, okay. Here's the blood which is in the fish, which is according to the body weight of the fish, which forms in a 2 to 3% of the body weight, which is in the form of watery fluid or the plasma, which having the blood cells, various proteins, albumins and the globulin, fibrogens, various salts, enzymes, which having the other special secretions in that the bloods. Here it also contains the waste products of the body during their transference to the organs of the secretions. Here's the various waste product in the body which during transference to the organs of secretions. Different minerals like calcium, iron, sodium, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus and chlorine are present here. Now the blood clotting substance, that is prothrombin, is present here, which is the substance which clot the blood. The blood clotting substance prothrombin is present in a high percentage but is less than that of mammalian blood, okay. Here's in fish blood there is a blood clotting substance is present here, that is prothrombin, which is less present in a mammalion's blood as comparing to the pisces or the fishes. The blood clots quickly in a fish due to presence of thermokinase in it, okay. These in that fishes which comparing to the mammals, the blood is clots very quickly because of that the special substance is present here, that is prothrombin, and which carries the process of that the thermokinase process is takes place here, okay. As usual, the fish blood also has red blood corpuscles or erythrocytes, okay. As like that the mammals blood, here's the red blood corpuscles and the white blood corpuscles are present here, okay. In red blood corpuscles or the we are called as the erythrocytes, and the white blood corpuscles or leukocytes and thermocytes or blood platelets are present here. Now this is the blood cells of Valagotu. Here we are seeing that the erythrocytes are present in the topmost portion, then the lymphocytes, monocytes, then the thermocytes, okay. In that middle there is a cells are present, blood cells are present here, okay. Thermocytes here, and acidophilic granulocyte, then the neutrophilic granulocytes, then basophilic granulocyte, okay. These are the blood cells of Valagotu, that is the white blood corpuscles as well as the red blood corpuscles are present here, okay. Okay, the red blood corpuscles are larger than those of mammals, which is yellowish red in color, bioconvex and nucleated. Okay, in that we are seeing here that the middle portion there is a nucleus is present here. Okay, as comparing to the mammals blood cells, okay, red blood corpuscles are larger than those of that of the mammals, which is a yellowish red in color, then bioconvex and nucleated. Okay, then the white blood corpuscles have a granulocytes like neutrophils, acidophils, basophils and agranulocytes. Okay, in that agranulocyte there is a nucleus is absent here, like a small lymphocytes and the monocytes. Lymphocytes and monocytes are present in large numbers. The thermocytes are a spindle shaped small cells. Okay, we are seeing here that the acidophilic granulocytes, neutrophilic granulocyte, then the basophilic granulocyte, these are the white blood corpuscles are present here. So, okay, here we are seeing the lymphocytic tissues are present in the bloods. Okay, this blood is formed along with the blood vessels in the early embryos, and the vessels may continue to form the blood cells in the adult fish. Okay, here's the various blood vessels are present in the early embryo stage of the fish, and which continues to form blood cells in the adult fish. Okay, before that there is a presence of the blood which forms that the lymphocytic tissue, then again blood is formed along with blood vessels. Besides the blood vessels, a number of tissues of the body from blood cells and are called lymphocytic tissues. Okay, we are called as the blood cells and are called as the lymphocytic tissues. Kidneys, especially the head kidney, forms thermocytes and leukocytes. Okay, this kidney which is special for the thermocytes and the leukocytes. Leukocytes are also formed in these leukocytes, which is formed in the liver, then the gonads, then the spleen and submucosa of the stomach and intestine. Okay, fish spleen has a red pulp and forms erythrocytes and thermocytes in its cortex and leukocytes in its medulla. It also destroys the blood cells, hence becomes an usual organ during the diseases. Okay, here's the various organs in that this fishes, they forms the leukocytes, then the thermocytes. Okay, the kidney which forms that the thermocytes, and then leukocyte cells are present in the liver, gonad, spleen and the submucosa of the stomach as well as the intestine. Okay, these are the hepatic tissues and the composition of the blood in the fishes. Okay, in next lecture we are start that the nervous system. Okay, which related to that the brain. Okay, we are seeing that in a next lecture. The topic is related to that the fish brain.